What is Monstera Thai constellation? Monstera Thai constellation is a stunning cultivar of the monstera plant, known for its unique, variegated leaves resembling constellations in the night sky. I first encountered this beauty while browsing through a plant shop, and I was immediately drawn to its mesmerizing patterns. Bringing it home felt like adding a piece of art to my space, and watching it grow has been a rewarding experience. How fast do Monstera Thai constellation growth? The growth rate of Monstera Thai constellation varies depending on various factors like light, humidity, and care. In my experience, providing it with ample indirect sunlight and regular watering has encouraged steady growth. However, it's important not to rush its growth and allow it to thrive at its own pace. How much is Monstera Thai constellation? Monstera Thai constellation can be quite pricey compared to other houseplants, but for me, it's worth the investment. The unique beauty and rarity of this plant make it a standout addition to any collection. While prices can vary depending on where you purchase it, expect to pay a premium for this sought-after variety. How often to water Monstera Thai constellation? Watering frequency for Monstera Thai constellation depends on environmental factors like temperature and humidity. I've found that it's best to let the top few inches of soil dry out between waterings to prevent overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Keeping a consistent watering schedule and monitoring the plant's moisture needs is key to maintaining its health. How to care for Monstera Thai constellation. Caring for Monstera Thai constellation involves providing it with the right balance of light, water, and nutrients. I've found that placing it in bright, indirect sunlight and using well-draining soil enriched with organic matter promotes healthy growth. Regular pruning helps maintain its shape and encourages new growth, while occasional fertilization during the growing season keeps it thriving. How to propagate Monstera Thai constellation. Propagating Monstera Thai constellation can be done through stem cuttings. I've had success by taking a cutting with at least one node and placing it in water until roots develop. Once roots have formed, I transfer the cutting to soil and continue to care for it as I would a mature plant. Monstera Thai constellation versus albo. The main difference between Monstera albo and Thai constellation lies in their variegation patterns. While both feature variegated leaves, Monstera albo typically has white variegation, whereas Thai constellation displays cream or yellow variegation with unique patterns resembling constellations. Monstera Thai constellation versus Monstera deliciosa. I love both Monstera Thai constellation and Monstera deliciosa for different reasons. The Thai constellation with its creamy variegation and unique patterns feels like a piece of art in my home. It's rare and adds a touch of elegance. On the other hand, the Monstera deliciosa has a classic, lush green look that grows vigorously and fills up spaces beautifully. It's more common, but still holds a special place because of its iconic split leaves that give a tropical vibe to any room. Where to buy Monstera Thai constellation? Finding Monstera Thai constellation for sale can be a bit challenging due to its rarity and popularity. I've had the most luck finding it at specialty plant shops, online marketplaces, and through plant enthusiasts who propagate and sell cuttings. Why are Monstera Thai constellations so expensive? The high price of Monstera Thai constellation can be attributed to its rarity and demand among plant collectors. Its unique variegation and stunning appearance make it a highly sought-after plant, driving up prices in the market. Does Monstera Thai constellation climb? Monstera Thai constellation is a climbing plant by nature, and given the right support, it will happily climb and vine. Providing it with a moss pole or trellis allows it to climb and adds an extra dimension to its growth habit. Is Monstera Thai constellation a crawler? While Monstera Thai constellation is known for its climbing tendencies, it can also trail or crawl if left untrained. Pruning and providing support structures can help guide its growth and prevent it from sprawling too much. Why is my Monstera Thai constellation turning brown? Browning leaves on Monstera Thai constellation can be a sign of various issues, including overwatering, underwatering, or inadequate humidity. In my experience, adjusting watering habits, increasing humidity levels, and ensuring proper drainage have helped prevent browning and maintain the plant's health. How big do Monstera Thai constellation get? Monstera Thai constellation can grow quite large under the right conditions, with leaves reaching up to 2 feet in size. Providing ample space for its growth and regular pruning to control its size can help maintain its manageable size while allowing it to reach its full potential.